All right, we got a blower motor, X-13, Evergreen. We got fan on. I'm gonna kick it on right now. There we go. Doing the old rockaroo. You know, I understand that these motors have a problem with high static, but we did this motor 53123, and people say, you know, high static is fine on this. We got 0.43, 0.5, and we went with a surge protector too, right on the unit. There's just no excuse. These motors are absolute junk. I think it's used a 1/2 horsepower. We've got a 5-inch filter on the unit. Just a little upset. This is getting ridiculous. All right, guys, we're back doing the blower motor. They didn't have any evergreens, so they gave me an Azure. I don't know how to pronounce that. Mars. It's got like it's 1/5 to 1/2 horse, so you got to program it with an app. The app is pretty cool, but it's really high on the fan speed. I have the fan speed on 3, but I was like, how am I going to set the airflow? I want to at least get something close and then get the true flow grid. So I had put a 5-inch filter in previously, and I marked my static at 0.42. And I got it right about here. So 0.42, the unit wants a 0.5. So I was like, let me get the DG8 out, 0.7. So let's see if we could adjust the speed. Let's do 30, I don't know, 31. Let's see how that goes. It shuts it off. And I got this unit set up for about 350 CFM per ton. We'll see how this does. %31 torque. What's really cool, you can get the amperage on here. Goodness gracious, I guess everybody's getting home. So previously I was there we go, 0.41. That's good. I'm gonna let that sit and just make sure it's at full speed. But really, if you don't have static previously marked on an air handler, I don't know how you would do this besides a true flow grid. You would need a true flow grid or a flow hood, but I can't imagine setting that torque percentage and then going and do a whole flow hood on the whole system. It's ridiculous. But I hope this helps you guys out in the field. Like I said, I had an Evergreen in there for just, you know, a year and a couple of months, and this is what they gave me. They didn't have an OEM Gentech at the supply house. But we'll catch you guys on the next one.